Hey, good morning. This is Julian Harper, J. Harper Insurance here. Hey, today we're going to talk real briefly about starting a new business. A lot of times when we start a new business, we're looking at all kinds of different things, and your main focus is going to be on your business, your brick and mortar, if that's what you need to be doing. How you're going to set up your marketing. How does your website look? How does your approach look? Are you retail? Are you out there doing construction work? Are you a contractor? Those kind of things, you're going to be working on yourself. One of the things you don't want to forget about is being well covered in the commercial market for insurance. There are certain things that can happen in a retail environment that you're going to want to be covered for. First of all is slips and falls. You're going to be looking at coverage for inventory, for things getting ruined during a storm, if a fire breaks out, all those kind of things you're going to want coverage for, especially in that retail market. On that side of the contractors are going to be looking at a little bit different things. They're going to be looking at coverage for their tools and for their equipment, coverage for job site visits, coverage for your vehicles. Those kind of things are going to be things that you're going to need to have done because your other contractors or even homeowners, if you're working in the more in the retail space than on the commercial side, are going to be looking for your commercial coverage. So you're going to need that general liability. You might actually need a commercial auto policy. You will probably need workers' comp, depending on how many employees you have. And even sometimes you might need what's called a ghost policy on the workman comp side, which is a policy that covers people who don't have a lot of employees but still need the workers' comp coverage for a certain contractor they might be working for. They might be working for a general contractor who requires you to have that workers' comp coverage and will also require you to have a couple other things like a certificate of insurance and those kind of things issued from your insurance company, helping them with their liability. So those things can be very important when you're first looking at starting your business. The other things you might run into with some carriers are that if you hadn't been in business a certain amount of time, usually that breakthrough is about 2 years or 3 years. So if you're just starting out, you're going to want to try to find an independent agent. Talk to an independent agent about your circumstances, what you're trying to do, how you're going to start your business, because a lot of times they can help you find someone who will insure that first startup business, who will insure someone who's only been in business for a year or someone who's just starting out. So those are things you're going to want to look at when you first start your business. I know it seems like a lot, and it's not that bad. If you get the right agent, if you find a good independent agent, they're going to help you walk through these things. They'll figure out what you need, how much coverage you need, and take care of that stuff for you. So that's one worry that you can pass along to someone else who will take care of it and take care of it correctly for you. Hey, just wanted to pass that along. I know so a lot of times this time of year, people are looking at starting businesses and maybe looking at that kickoff being at the beginning of the year. So a great time for new entrepreneurs or people who've been around a while who've decided they wanted to become an entrepreneur. Maybe they've got 40 years of experience and said, hey, you know what? I want to do this on my own for a while. Those kind of folks, hey, you're going to be successful in your business. You know what you're doing. Let us help you insure it and make sure you're covered correctly. Once again, this is Julian Harper, J. Harper Insurance. You can check out our website at www.jharperins.com. Plenty of information on there. Go to the commercial section if that's what you're looking for. If you're looking for personal insurance, we sell that too. So, hey, we can be your one-stop shop. Also, please subscribe and follow us on YouTube at Julian the Insurance Guy. Again, I hope you guys have a great holiday that's coming up next week, and we'll be back with you next week. Hopefully we'll have a special guest. I've got some family coming in. If I can actually talk them into getting on the camera with me, I will have some special guests next week just to kind of kick off the holiday season. Again, it's Julian Harper, J. Harper Insurance. Check out our website, www.jharperins.com. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Julian the Insurance Guy. Hope you have a great week. Bye-bye.